Hi, welcome. I'm excited to be here today at Valley Cottage, New York at the ilFornino Pizza Academy. I'm Carl from Hot Carl's Pizza. I'll be doing a little demonstration today, taking you through how to make a pizza and how to use this beautiful Elite Chef's Edition ilFornino oven. It's humming right now. We've got some oak wood in there. It's getting real hot. The floor is 850 degrees right now, Fahrenheit. We're gonna make a pie, throw it in there, see how long it takes. I'm gonna show you how to not only make the pie, but also how to cook it in this oven. It's gonna take maybe 90 seconds to a minute, okay, to get this done. So keep your eyes on that screen. One thing that I did learn a long time ago is that there's many ways to get this done. I have my method, which you're gonna see right here. And this dough is about a 5-day fermentation, so it's real soft. It's gonna cook real nice, be nice and airy, fluffy, and not too dense, which we don't want, all right? So I have a little flour, a little semolina down. Just spin this baby out. Just do a little of this, just to get it opened up a little bit. It can also be a little bit of a showmanship move too, but it's really just to get it into the shape that we want. Okay. Now we're gonna add a little sauce. So we'll just start off with a simple cheese pizza today. Okay, make sure you make your way down here. So there'll be different classes happening all season long in the winter time and also in the spring coming up. There's a couple guys coming in from Italy to show you a traditional Neapolitan style pizza making. This is more of a cross between New York and Neapolitan. So we have to come up with a specific name for that. All right, so check it out. It's already ready for the oven. I'm gonna grab my sliding wheel. This is only for putting it in the oven. We will not turn this in the oven with this. It's only for entering. So check it out. Follow me in here. We lost our flame a little bit, which is okay. Banjo peel. You can't see in there, can you? So if this does happen, it's okay. Just add a little bit more firewood. A small piece will get that fire going, and then you'll be able to see inside the oven, just as you can see here. Nice. This is actually pretty nice. I realize the peel, this could be used to move the wood around if you need to, or to put some wood in there if it's real hot in there. It's important that you keep an eye on this at all times. I've had some of these turn into dust real quick. Wow, perfect. And put it up on the dome a little bit, get that top a little bit hotter, a little brown. Look at that, that is gorgeous. To this day, I make thousands and thousands of pieces. I still love it every time. Especially with these ovens, the best. Okay. And there you have it. That's a classic cheese, as we call it. Nothing plain about it. That is perfection. See that? That's what we're talking about right there. Okay, let's land this over here. All right, that's just a test drive. That's our first one we made tonight in the ilFornino Elite Chef's Edition oven. So we're gonna keep trying them out, seeing what works, getting our sweet spot, and just try different toppings out. Come visit us, ilFornino, Valley Cottage, New York.